Afternoon at the Dawn Forge. So yesterday I did my heat treatment. Now I'm doing tempering, which is a different thing. So as you can see over here, I've set up my kiln. It's going to reach 175 degrees Celsius. Once it's at that temperature, it's going to hold that temperature steady for 2 hours. And I'm going to take it out and bring it down to room temperature, repeat, and then do it the third time. So total of 6 hours in the tempering oven. So over here in these plates covered in ice is the knife itself. It's covered in ice because I've kept it in the freezer overnight. So hopefully after all of that it's straight. So I'm just going to try and take it out and we'll see what it looks like. It's a bit awkward. Trying to keep you guys in. If it's not straight, I've got to start all over again. So, I mean, I could try and the ways of fixing it, but you don't really want to do that. And hopefully it hasn't, cracked and broken or done anything really strange. So, but I don't know. And the really annoying thing is that there's not much I can do about it. So there she is. Now, what I'm not going to do is take it out of this if I can possibly avoid it, because I want to temper it while it's still in the wrap. And not everyone does that. I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I've got a feeling that if I temper it while it's still wrapped up, it'll get less muck on it. That seems, to me at least on this surface, which is not perfect, fairly straight. So I can call that good. So there's the blade wrapped up in the tin foil, cold, going into the oven as soon as it gets to 175, which will be about another minute or two. And do that 3 times and then I'll take the wrap off. At that point, if it's not straight, it's got a big warp in it, then it's a bit much to do much. I've got to start all over again. But I'm thinking that this actually looks pretty good. Yeah, so that's tempering for the Golok underway. It's already up to 159, so very shortly I'll chuck it in there and then it'll just count down to 2 hours holding it at that temperature. Take it out, bring it to room temperature, probably just by tucking the sink and pouring water on it. Stick it back in, go again. Yeah, so now we're going to temper. Cheers guys.